Let's paint these old glass vases. So what you will need is some acrylic paint, Modpodge, some bicarb soda, primer and paints. So here I am painting with the primer first, just to allow the adhesion of the top coat. I mix some paint with some bicarb soda and use this as my top coat. I used my Cricut Circuit 3 to create my design and decided on just a simple minimalistic design to apply onto my vases. Okay, so now here's the tricky part. So because the vase base was like very textural in the paint finish, I found this a little bit tricky to allow the actual print to be able to adhere to the vase. However, with a little bit of patience, I was able to manage to get this on to the vase and just applying pressure, as you can see here, and I was pushing that onto the texture of the vase. And then once I was able to eventually get this to stick, I applied the Modpodge, and this was really successful. And here is the final result. I actually did these probably 12 months ago maybe, and they're actually going really strong. I've kept them in my home and I utilize them for my staging projects and I love them. What do you think?